Alright guys, we're back in the Chalk car. Just picked her up from the body shop, but she's not done at all. I had to come get the car. There's going to be a quick change of plans that we're doing before they start on the car. So I'm going to head over to the shop. We're about 5 minutes away, and I'll explain to you what we're doing and why I picked the car back up before they started on it. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Starting to work on this 335xi project. We got the DCT trans pulled off of here. I'm gonna start stripping this motor right now, get all the accessories off, and your next video is gonna be a full tear down on this motor. So we can it was a fully running motor, just blown turbos. So we're gonna see what the inside of that motor looks like. And as you saw earlier in the video, I did drive the Chalk car back to the shop. In case you're wondering if it's done and repaired, and no, it is definitely not done and repaired. However, I got my glass guys coming right now. They're gonna go ahead and pull the rear glass. We're gonna pull the front glass out of here, and we're gonna do some drilling because this baby is coming off. So we're getting rid of the roof. Decided we're gonna do a convertible swap on this thing, you know, weight reduction, get rid of the sunroof. No, but really we are getting rid of the roof. So I've got everything off right there so they can come and take the windshield off. I'm gonna pull these these moldings out on both sides, and we're gonna start drilling all of our spot welds and get that off, so that we can put our full carbon roof on. That's actually on the way to the body shop now. And then that way when they go to take the car and paint everything, I'm just gonna have them glue the roof on there for me. And as some of you saw, I did post the turbo up for sale. Since I saw that Speedtech came out with their top mount, decided I'm gonna go with that and an even bigger turbo, and possibly some more changes to the motor. So motor is getting pulled, and since the motor's out, probably sending the whole car to get painted at the body shop, and I'm just gonna have them do the engine bay correctly. There was nothing wrong with the rattle can job, but it's still good. Obviously just dirty from not having fender liners or anything, but pulling motor, gonna leave it all nice and bare for them. So I'm gonna have them do the same color, except it's gonna be with like actual automotive paint and like a nice durable clear coat finish on there. We're gonna glue the hood and do the repair in here, and maybe doing something a little bit wider here, but I'm not gonna disclose any further information. Just look out for some bigger changes there. So that's what we're doing today. And yeah, just gonna wait for these guys to come and pull the glass, and then I'll get started on pulling the motor out of here. All right guys, here's a quick update of what we got done to the car so far. So glass was pulled front and rear. I got the headliner out already, that's over there, and I just dropped the sunroof assembly here. So we pretty much got everything out of the way, and I started cleaning up with this tool here all the rubber, the primer for the glass, so I can see all my spot welds that I need to drill out. I'll need to clean that off, clean off the sides, do the front. I'll probably do this tomorrow, and then we can pull off, throw some heat on the roof over here, and then we can pull off the roof, and then she should be ready to get the motor pulled, and then we can basically send it over to body shop and let them do all the work on it. So that's where we are with this thing. Next video probably gonna be me disassembling this IS motor right here. This guy's finally done with his clapper. That red car right there, going straight to LKQ if anyone's looking for it. It's gonna be up there with the 1M conversion. This thing's all done. He's got his 1M conversion ready. Rear over fender, so I think this thing is gonna be going to body also, and that's pretty much it. So leave it here. What's that?
So a lot of stuff going on at the shop right now.
Yeah, a
Chalk335xi.
lot of projects. Oh yeah, this is my old E92. Forgot about this. This is the record breaker, the 5.2 60 to 130 on twins. My boy Nick picked it up from me. Staying on twins. We're upgraded twins again. And he's got this motor in here now. He did a little auto service refresher on this thing, so new gaskets all around. He's putting this thing together, and I believe he's going rear wheel drive, and it was auto and it's now going to be a manual, so props to him for that. He's gonna get that going, and that's pretty much it. We'll leave it off here. I'll continue tomorrow's video on removing the roof from my car, disassembling this motor. We're going to be building the DCT trans on this, so those are going to be the next videos for that series. And then obviously all the work we're doing to my car. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video, guys.